Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a curious young bunny named Max. Max loved to explore and learn new things. One sunny morning, Max found a shiny box in the meadow. It sparkled in the sunlight, and Max's curiosity grew even more. He hopped over and opened the box, to find it was full of colorful crayons. Just as Max picked up a crayon, a tiny fairy flew out of the box. "Hello, Max. I'm Trixie, the Crayon Fairy. This isn't just any box. It's a magic color box that can bring drawings to life." Max's eyes widened with excitement. He couldn't wait to try it out. Trixie explained, "Let's start our adventure. Draw anything your heart desires, and you'll see the magic." Max grabbed a blue crayon and drew a big, blue butterfly. Suddenly, the butterfly fluttered off the paper and started flying around. Max giggled in delight. Next, Max drew a red apple. To his amazement, the apple rolled right off the page and landed in his paws. "This is so much fun," cheered Max. Over the course of the day, Max drew many wonderful things, like chirping birds, colorful flowers, and fluffy clouds. Every drawing came to life, and Max couldn't stop smiling. "Remember, Max," Trixie said, "with great magic comes great responsibility. Use the magic color box wisely." Max nodded, understanding the importance of Trixie's words. As the sun began to set, Trixie told Max it was time for her to go back into the magic color box. "Whenever you want to use the box again, just call my name," she said with a twinkle in her eye. "Thank you, Trixie," Max said, feeling grateful. He carefully stored the magic color box in a special place in his room, knowing he had made a magical friend and learned an important lesson about responsibility. That night, Max dreamed of all the fun he'd had and the wonderful things he would draw tomorrow. And so, Max, along with his magic color box, continued to explore the wonders of his world, one magical drawing at a time. The end.